Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and today we have this early Model S in the shop today for a facelift. Yep, you heard me right. We're going to take the front bumper off of this car and we're going to install our FBR, our front bumper refresh. This refresh is going to make this early model car look very much like the current Model S. And while we do that, we're also going to give it another interesting upgrade: front parking sensors. Early model Tesla S's did not have front parking sensors, so we are able to retrofit that now with an aftermarket solution. While unfortunately it will not show up on the Tesla screen, it is still very effective with audible and visual warnings, which I will show you when we're all done. But to get started, this bumper is going to come off. We're going to take the front Tesla T logo, we're going to take the fog lights, the fog light trim, the lower honeycomb mesh, transfer it all onto the FBR, put her back on the car, install the parking sensors, and this one will be done very shortly. Stand by. All right, so what do you think? Doesn't this look great? I mean, what an incredible transformation. From what we started with, the early nose cone look of a Model S, to now the minimalistic, upgraded look of like a brand new car. But you know what? This one is really special because A, Tesla does not even offer this really cool brown color anymore. And therefore, this is gonna be one of maybe only a few out there that have this new FBR with this color. Also, like I said, we did install our aftermarket force sensor, parking sensor alert system. And as you can see, they're mounted over here on the front bumper. And now we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you exactly how it works and where the controls are. So as you can see, here is the display of the front parking sensor warning system. And right now, it's not picking up anything. We're very far away from a moving object or a non-moving object. But if somebody were to go ahead and walk by, starting on the left, or an object, you could see that it's picking up and giving you a visual warning right and left. Now here's what's happening. It goes from green, yellow, red, and then the middle tells you how many inches away you are from the object, or if you're about to go ahead and hit the object. So it beeps with different levels of intensity, depending on how close you are. You get the visual readout. As you can see, it goes from green, orange, red, that you're gonna hit something, to right and left accordingly. And this is really a great, easy to use, easy to understand, verbal and visual warning system. All right, so this is a wrap. Another happy Tesla customer about to take delivery of not only an FBR, but also he now has front parking sensors. So really great, so you don't get into an accident or hit something. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really like our videos. If you do, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
You